Hey guys, Simon Games here today, and as you saw by the title, making an impossible Nerf challenge. Yeah, and I'm gonna try and shoot bullets through this small thing. I know it looks pretty small, but that's the challenge, to make it very small and try and shoot through it. So I don't know where to put this. Where am I gonna? Please let this work. Oh my god. Where am I gonna put this? Perfect challenge. Okay. There. That's the thing. I'm trying to shoot. Okay. And I'm gonna be right behind the camera shooting. Okay. And for this demonstration, I'm using the Maverick. It's fully loaded. I have 2 rounds, so 6 bullets in here, and then I have 6 bullets right there. Okay. What? I swear I didn't even know this would break. Oh no. Dang, my aim is horrible. Well, I was pretty close. I hit the bar. The crossbar. Redo. I'm gonna redo that. Okay. Now I have to retry. If I fail this, I fail this video. Okay, I just reloaded it. I'm gonna be behind the camera. Oh, I made it. You saw that. I just made it. I made it. I know I made it. I know I made it. It was like... I wish I knew how to instant replay that. Look at that. It was like... Oh. Yeah. I know that was a very quick video. I think at least it was a very quick video. If you like the video, I was in my mom. I'm in my mom's room for this video. Okay, yeah, and if you like the video, like, subscribe, and I have a lot of more videos to left watch because yeah. And Simon Games out.